Okay, this is what I've been working on, and now I have a little dog barking. This cedar, there's two of them here, and they're, as you can see, right beside the house, and time for them to come out. And since I have the time, and I've done this before, this is how I've found a way of taking trees down with a little bit of effort, but I don't have to clear the roots. I've already removed some of the roots over here, and what you do is dig down to the base, and I've been using water to kind of hydraulically clean it out, and you find the roots, and then you clear them off. And currently, because the way this is standing, I'm using the tree itself to pull its roots out, and using a load binder that screws in with a lever type load binder. The lever allows me to shorten the chain, and then I reset the other load binder. And then I have a set of tongs here that came from Northern Tool that grabs onto this. And this root used to be connected down here, and once you dig it down to where you can kind of see the entire root, you take an axe and cut the root off, and then you start pulling the root out. And this root's just about to come out, and you go around the tree. There's another root right down there that I got to dig down to, and cut it loose, and then pull the root up. And because all these trees don't have a tap root, they just have a big base of roots. When I've gone all the way around and pulled everything out, the tree itself will just pull over. It won't be attached to the ground. It'll just fall over practically. So I thought I ought to do a little video of what this is, what it entails. And since I'm too lazy to go get my other camera and get a tripod, I'm doing it on my cell phone. But you can kind of see what's going on here. It's slow, but then I have a lot of time. So I will update when I get farther along here. Okay, update. I don't know if you can hear all this, but this is how it comes out. Oh, that was a big movement. I'd say this root's just about to come out of here. Okay, back again. So now that I've got this tight, you see I've got no more thread left here. I'll see if I can do this one-handed. The load binder has come to slack because there's no longer any load on it. So then you pull it down and move it to another link. And then you close it. And now I take the the red load binder off, and I reset it on the chain and tighten it back up again, and it keeps pulling. And this moved quite a bit, like about 3-4 inches in the last pull. And we're back, and here we are. The majority of this rut is out of the ground, and it didn't even really take that long to do. But I can't get it unhooked with one hand, so, but there it is. It's out. So when the tree comes out, there won't be roots in the ground to deal with. There'll just be little tiny ones. And yeah, that process does it fairly easy. If you, well, because of where I'm at in here, I have no space to get any kind of machine down here really. And I don't feel like using a stump grinder in here. So I have the chains and I have the load binders, so this is a no-cost operation.